everyone. We are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews today, and we got a product review going on over here that we're going to check out together. We got this in Insignia TV going on here. Okay, this was actually won in a raffle from what I was told. So this is what's going on, and this is the one that they gave out, wherever the case may be. But let's show it to you guys, see what's up, see if it works out for you and your environment and your budget, I guess, or if you see value in it, then that's good as well too. Okay, so let's get this unboxed and see what we got going here, right? So we got the leg stands on the top, which we will install and put in together. We are going to hang this on the wall. We're going to do a review of the installation and the bracket that was picked out for this TV, and we're going to do that all together. But for now, let me put it on the stand so you guys can see, you know, the normal, you know, outlook of it, of what it's going to be. Now, there's nothing much on the box. You know, I usually show you guys the box, but there's really nothing on the box. There's only this, and there's nothing else on the back that's anything different, just to let you know. All right, so that's what it says on the other side, guys. It kind of just gives you the measurement, see? 48.9 by 30.3. It tells you what's on the back and the remote and stuff like that, so that's kind of cool. All right, so they give you a Fire Stick remote, pretty much, because I guess this is, you know, an Amazon TV, and I'm not sure if Amazon, how much they own of this, or Insignia just puts their name on it because Amazon's so big, you know what I mean, how the deals they work. But this is pretty much exactly like a Fire Stick. That's exactly probably who makes the, you know, that it's made like that. And yeah, you got, except theirs has Peacock, Netflix, Prime, and DirecTV. The two on the bottom are definitely different than the other remote. You know what? I don't even have an old Fire Stick to show you. But anyway, yeah, that's a little bit different than the Fire Stick because the two bottom ones. So they give you a child safety sheet, you know, to make sure to follow when you're hanging the TV or anything like that, because you don't want anything falling and hurting anyone. You know, someone can get hurt. So you want to make sure you hang it up properly. I have knocked over a TV when I was little, you know, almost killed my sister. And yeah, it was very bad. So you want to make sure that, you know. All right, so they give you your batteries in here. That's going to be for that remote. Here's some, these are probably the screws for that, for the legs to put on there. So we're going to do that really quick. Here's your power cord. Okay, I'll measure. We'll see how long the power cord is for you real quick. All right, guys. So measuring cord, the power cord as follows. Okay, is, all right. So the power cord is 60 inches long. Okay, just to let you know what's going on with that. Now let's get these legs on together. Ow! I got shocked. Okay, so that's how they have the legs facing that way, just to let you know. All right, guys, so we got to put the instructions in here. You guys can just give that a pause. I'll scan it over. So at least you can have the, you know, the instructions while the product is in the back. And I always lose my instructions. So at least you'll be good to go, and you could just come back and give these a pause if you run into any problems. All right, here they are in, I guess, whatever Spanish language, I guess is what it is. I mean, I don't know. I'm an uneducated person, so you can't be asking me what kind of language that is, but at least you can pause that if you need to read the Spanish part. All right, so we're just gonna do a quick review and just turn it on real quick. You know, like I said, I try to split apart the videos just to make it easier for everybody, because you know, no one has the same attention span like they used to with all the medias going on. with all the stuff on the computer. So this is pretty much the same exact remote as your Fire Stick. You're just gonna stick those batteries in there like that. Give it a slide on. Now I'll be right back. I want to get my power meter. I like to give you guys numbers and everything. All right, so I just want to show you the back real quick over here. So this is what the back of the TV looks like, and that's where the that port, that's where it goes in. It kind of pushes up into there is where that power cord will, go. And then all your ports are right in here, right up in there, and that's kind of where they're all tucked in. All right, let me turn off the lights so there's not so much glare, and we can focus on the picture. All right, guys, so we have it plugged in, no watts or anything like that. Let's turn it on, turn up the volume. Oh, okay. All right, so right now, guys, we are pulling 103 watts, okay? All right, so we got to connect to the Wi-Fi. Is what it's doing. I'm just going through a quick setup of what you can expect, what this is going to look like, because we're not just going to do the unboxing on the TV. All right, now it's up to 116 watts is what it's running at so far as the max. All right, let's test out this sound now. So that's the sound quality from about 8 to 10 feet away, just to let you know how far you're going to be. So this is probably like a normal sized living room where you would be sitting, probably like I said, roughly about 10 feet I am from that. So yeah, now,
No one can. We got rid of cable internet. Rising prices, equipment charges.
Okay, dramatic. A better plan is Fios Home Internet.
Switch to Fios Home Internet. Plans start at just $25 per month. Now with a 5-year price guarantee. Only on Verizon.
All right, everyone. That is it for Glenn Velvet Reviews on an unboxing and a setup and a little bit of a, I guess, power review of it as well. We're going to come back. We are going to install this. I got a bracket I did an unboxing on. Then we are going to do an installation review of that and pop it on and see how beautiful it looks. Probably in a week or two, you can come back and check it up and see if you like what it looks like on the wall and the bracket set up as well. It's going to go in the corner and look nice. But that is it. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community, right? And if you can, unless you dislike me for any reason, you could support the channel by clicking on those affiliate links below. Somehow, someway times a million equals into something. But from what I saw, there are other ways to support the channel on YouTube. And if you do decide to support the channel, please make sure you come back, see that I'm putting that support back into it, getting more stuff to review, doing updates on the items so we know we're getting a good value, and also helping out my subscribers with any questions they have on the products I already did review. All right, so everybody enjoy, be safe. Glenn Velvet Reviews is out. Bye-bye, everybody. I will see you later.